Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have a very cool and interesting Tissot watch, so a Swiss made quartz watch. Here we have the Tissot Seastar from the 1970s that features a very unique and interesting quartz movement. It is also very unique inside as well. It is going to be operated by a AG12 battery, so quite a big battery. And the interesting thing about this watch is that when it comes to setting the time, it is something that you might have never seen before out there. So if you pull the crown all the way in order to adjust the time, you will be able to see that you can only move the hour hand, and it is going to move hour by hour, meaning it is very easy to adjust to new time zones, and also it is very easy in order to adjust the date. Also, this works backwards, and also the date will go backwards as well. Once again, something really unique. Now you might ask, but how do you adjust the minutes hand? Where here is something very interesting. So this is the most interesting part about this watch. So what you need to do is to press the watch crown in order for it to stop. You are going to wait for 5 seconds. Then we are going to release it and press once again. So you are going to press immediately after you have released, and that is how you can actually adjust the minutes. Now if you need to go all the way, so let's say for 40 or 50 minutes, it is going to take a little bit of time, but you can wait a little and then you have the time adjusted. So this is something really interesting and very cool about this watch when it comes to setting the time. Also a very nice model that wasn't produced for a lot of time, so this movement is quite spectacular and unique. So this particular model keeps accurate time. We have tested it for 3 days and it keeps time by the second, so that is something really special when you take into consideration that this watch is from the 1970s. Now if you're interested in this exact model, we have it for sale on our website, vintageradar.com, link in the description below, guys. If you enjoy this type of content, like, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.